How to get zksync airdrop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. This is going to be a step-by-step guide, so just sit back and relax. So the first step is that you open up chain list in order to add zksync era mainnet to your MetaMask. So just search for zksync era mainnet over here and click on this option of add to MetaMask. Otherwise you won't be able to see your funds on zksync blockchain. So just click on it, and after that you will be able to see this zksync era mainnet on your MetaMask. And the second step is that you search for zksync era on Google and then open up the very first link over here. Make sure that you are opening up the authentic one. So double check the URL as there are so many scams out there. So just be careful. After you open up, this is how it will look like. Now you need to click on this option of bridge. So what we are doing is actually we are sending all the Ethereum from our MetaMask to zksync blockchain. And this way we will be using that particular Ethereum on zksync blockchain and increase the chances of getting higher airdrop. It can be as much as $10,000. So just sit back and let's see how we can do it all. So connect with your Ethereum mainnet over here. After that, just select the amount that you want to transfer. And then you would be able to see an option over here. Just click on it, and after that you would be able to deposit amount. Make sure that you have selected deposit over here. So we are sending from Ethereum mainnet, zksync era mainnet. Since I already did it all yesterday, that's why all my funds are still in the process of withdrawal. I'm sending my funds from zksync era to my Ethereum mainnet again. It is around 24-hour delay there. That's why it is taking long. And my $338 is still in the process of getting back in the Ethereum mainnet. So after you deposit your amount, just hover around your cursor on network. So in the next step, we are actually going to interact with dApps. So just click on this option of explore the ecosystem. Over here, you will be able to see different dApps that are currently on the zksync blockchain. Here you will also be able to see the live dApps that are currently actually live, and most of them are live, but there are some that will be live in future. So in order to just categorize them, simply click on this option of live on era. So because we are only going to interact with the live dApps. Now there appears a list of different dApps. You can select any of them and interact with them. I interacted with most of them in order to increase my chances of getting the airdrop. Like if you go on mute.io, just click on it. It will show some information. Click on it again, and after that it will redirect you to that particular dApp. Then simply click on enter app and connect your wallet. Now you need to just simply do some swaps, or you can also add some funds in the pool in order to register your presence on this particular blockchain. So just select Ethereum, since we initially have Ethereum over here. So we will select Ethereum. Now select any other token of your choice and click on balance and just do the swap. You can also add pools by just clicking on pools and add liquidity. Now let's see how we can interact with some other dApp. I also interacted with dBank. It is also a good one. It might change the future of social media completely. Over here you will also be able to see your wallet balance around different blockchains, and you can also mint your Web3 ID. It will basically give Web3 identity to every single person out there. And the social feature of this dApp is actually this one, where you can set the price of your chats. Like if you want someone to chat with you, then you can set the price. Every time someone sends you a hi or any other message, they would require you to pay some balance in order to chat with you. So the celebrities might be able to earn in a different way, as this price also increases with the demand of that chat with that particular person. You can also click on more, and over here there are rewarding activities. There's around $10,000 in rewards. You can earn it by participating in activities like voting or creating proposals. For that, just simply click on more, then click on vote. Now here you can create different proposals, and if you get votes and your proposal gets accepted and resolved, then you would be able to earn or get some rewards out of it. So it is a good way to earn rewards. Now let's explore other. I have also invested in Spacefy and also Rhinofy, since these were some early projects on zksync. So just open this up, then click on launch app, wait for it to connect. After your funds arrives over here, all you have to do is just interact with this particular platform. Like you can do some swaps, you can trade, or you can also deposit some money in the pools. Like I have deposited around $20 over here in the Ethereum pool. So this way, the more you interact with different dApps, the more your chances of getting a drop. So this is how you do it, and this is how you become eligible for zksync airdrop. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.